Hey, I'm Lindy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're not new here, hey, and if you are new here, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope your day's going well. Today I'm going to talk about the two different methods that I use to add sparkle to my pictures. This is something I get asked about a lot on Instagram, and I know that there's some videos out there already, but I just want to show you guys exactly what I do, and hopefully this helps. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'll have that down below and on the screen or whatever. I'm always over there posting some fun edits, some behind the scenes, as well as talking about absolute buffoonery on my story. I'll keep it pretty short and snappy. However, I do really like my outfit right now, so please let me flex. Amazon headband, Rent the Runway jacket, Wild Fox t-shirt from Ross though, some just normal jeans, whatever, these are from Express, and then my look-alike Gucci loafers. Don't I look so bougie right now? I love this. Shein earrings. Hello, hi. So the two different methods that I use are pre-quill, and that adds like a 90s sparkle to the whole picture. And then I also will use PixArt to do like a sparkly diamond edit on clothing or like a drink, just like different aspects of the picture. I'm sure you've seen stuff like that all around, and I'm sure I have some examples on the screen. Okay, so for the like 90s edit that I use pre-quill for, I'm gonna show you guys on a picture that is actually like in my last thumbnail I just posted on Instagram. Anyway, I'll show you how I do it. Alright, so we're gonna open up Prequill. Prequill used to have watermarks and you couldn't use it for free without having the watermarks, and now they don't have watermarks and you can use it for free and it slaps. They do have some premium filters. I don't use them, so you'll be good to go without paying any money. Alrighty, so here's the picture. You can edit it, crop it, whatever. I just squeezed it so that it was the full picture on there. And then you go to effects, and then there's all these different effects, and I'll just show you guys some. Like here's cinema. I use that on some of my pictures. And then when you double tap on the effect, you can change the like filter amount and stuff. Anyway, keep scrolling over to diamond or disco. Those are the two that I like. I think I use disco for this one. So you can click through the different... Oh, my Office Max order's ready. What time is it? 8:30? Okay, I ordered a bunch of prints so I could do a collage wall either in here or in my bathroom, and my prints are ready and I'm vlogging it. Yay! Subscribe. Okay, so anyway, this one, you just click through the elements or effects, whatever. And for this one, I used this second one on disco. It doesn't really matter. You just kind of pick what you want. And you can slide the intensity down or up. You can see it gets bigger. And then scale, you can make the sparkles huge, which honestly is really cute in the background of pictures. But like for this picture, I had it pulled pretty far down. But if you did want to apply it, like say you have like a city nightlife type of picture and you just want sparkles in the back, here is how I would do that. Okay, so pull the scale up to whatever you want and then save it. Now let's go crop the picture. And then go to Snapseed. And I've talked about Snapseed before on here, but we're gonna use it again. Open up Snapseed and open up the original picture without the sparkles. Okay, now in Snapseed, click Tools, scroll down to Double Exposure, click the little plus at the bottom, and add the picture with the sparkles. Now there's a little teardrop, which means opacity, and you're gonna click on that and drag the opacity all the way up. Okay, check mark, then hit the undo button in the top right corner, then click View Edits, then click Double Exposure, and then click the paintbrush. Alright, so now you're just going to paint on where you want the sparkles. So, say you just want them in the background of the picture. Literally just paint only in the background. So if there's like buildings behind you, or if it's like lights from anything, you know? And then you can just have the sparkles right where you want them. There's a little tip along the way. If you just want sparkles in one part, I would recommend that. And then the other type of like glitter edit that I do, I'm sure you guys have seen this a lot on Instagram, is like a sparkly overlay on an outfit or on somebody's, like, could be hair, could be shoes, could be a coffee, you know, anything. You've seen these all over the place. Here's how I would do it. So the hardest part of this for me was finding the right sparkle image to overlay. So I went through like PixArt and all types of stuff trying to find one. I ended up finding one on Pinterest, and if I find it again, I'll link down below the one that I used. Okay, so for the glittery overlay, we're gonna use PixArt. You'll go into PixArt, open up whatever picture. I'm gonna use this one of me in a pink coat. I use this picture all the time in tutorials, but anyway. Pull it up, click Add Photo, and go pull up your sparkly image. Like I said, I'll try and find the one that I use and link it down below. Alright, add. So, there it is. You're gonna resize it to be the right size that covers whatever item you're trying to sparkleize. I'm gonna click the eraser and erase all the sparkles. And we're gonna zoom in, and do you see at the bottom where there's the eraser and the paintbrush? Click on the paintbrush, and then you're gonna go back in and paint it on your coat or whatever item you're glittering. Just paint it all over. I'm being kind of quick with this for the sake of the video, and because my Office Depot order is ready and I'm really excited now. Okay, so now you're gonna click the check mark and then you're gonna click on blend, which is at the bottom. And there's multiply, color burn, darken, lighten, screen. Now I use, usually for this I will either use overlay or hard light. So here's overlay and there's hard light. Hard light's a little bit too much for this picture, I find. But I mean, I like that vibe too. It's just whatever you want. I used overlay for this one. There we go. And that is how I give my coat sparkles, or whatever you want in the picture sparkles. And if you wanted to do multiple things in the picture, don't click apply, because every time you like apply something on PixArt, it gets like the quality gets lessened a little bit, I noticed. So I would just tap on my coat where I have that sparkle already, hit the little layers button in the top, and then click duplicate. All right, so there's the sparkles. But since you can't really see them, I'm gonna take it all the way back to normal, and I'm gonna click the eraser, and then I'm gonna click the paintbrush, and then I'm gonna draw all the sparkle back. Okay, so let's say I also wanted to sparkle my sweatshirt. All right, eraser, erase the sparkle, draw it back on my sweatshirt. There we go. Blend, see which one looks best. Hard light. See, now on the black you can't even see overlay. So I'm gonna go for hard light and I'm just gonna take it down a bit. So, there you go. That's how I do the sparkles. This video is pretty snappy and to the point, but I do hope that it helped you. And if you try this out, tag me in it on Instagram. Let me know either in your picture, on your story, something so that I can see it. And of course, give you a little shout out on my Instagram, give you a little love. I really love to connect with you guys over there, and I love to see that anything that I post helps you. It literally means the entire freaking world to me. Thank you, love you, follow me, like, subscribe if you feel so inclined. Of course, you are not required, but that button is there and its only purpose is to get pressed. So, it's in your hands now. The ball's in your court. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Stay tuned. I'm doing this whole wall in a collage, I think, or I'm doing my bathroom. Somewhere in my house is getting a collage. That, I live by that. I don't know what part of my house is getting a collage, but I just spent $35 on pictures, so something's getting collaged. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye, love you.